Can you flip a profit in just 5 seconds? Let's dive into extreme short-term trading on Pocket Option. First, we need to select the 5-second trading option on your Pocket Option platform. This is where the speed kicks in. Ensure your chart time frame is also set to 5 seconds. This synchronizes your visual data with the trade duration for maximum awareness. Now, let's equip ourselves for such rapid trades. Momentum indicators are key. Consider adding the RSI and MACD where looking for quick signals. The strategy here is about capturing fleeting trends, spotting rapid price movements. Perhaps a strong bullish candle followed by a continuation could signal a buy opportunity. Conversely, a sharp downward move or a bearish pattern might indicate a sell is in order. Precision is absolute. When you see a clear, fast signal, execute your trade immediately. The goal is to enter and exit a position within that 5-second window. Crucially, this is extremely high risk. Only invest an amount you are prepared to lose. Manage your risk by setting strict stop losses or limiting the number of trades you take. Success hinges on rapid analysis, precise execution, and understanding that many trades will be losses. Aim for consistent small wins rather than chasing large payouts. Mastering 5-second trades on Pocket Option requires immense discipline and practice. Remember, this is a high-octane strategy for experienced traders.